Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So my battery is gonna die on my camera, so if it does I'm sorry, I don't know where it's gonna pick up. Anyway, so what I've said to you is that I'm gonna show you how to create a facial look kind of thing and how I get my current glowy, dewy look skin that I've been obsessed with. But I haven't had time, I haven't had the opportunity. I've just literally sat down, created this look right here, and yeah, so what I thought, I was literally on Instagram Live, on Instagram just doing videos, because Snapchat, get the fuck away from me. What you did to Rihanna is anyway, so yeah, what I thought I would do is, because I was just like this on my phone, whereas I could have been just sat in front of a camera talking to you. So yeah, I've just created this look. I've got glitter eye, I've got like red, I've got obviously highlight, my skin underneath is glowing, so I thought I'd tell you what's going on. So obviously I've talked to you before, basically saying that I've got vitiligo, so obviously this is why my hand doesn't match my face. I do love my face to be tanned, well not my face, but I do love to be tanned nowadays. I have discovered that being tanned is good, and Bondi Sands, oh my god. Bondi Sands smells good, it gives me an amazing colour. I've got so many fucking compliments. I've got so many compliments about the tan that I'm wearing through Bondi Sands, and the fact that Rihanna is bringing out Skin Lava is amazing, because literally I can put it over me and I'm gonna look even fucking better. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for Jesus. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna look amazing. And so yeah, my arm and my face don't match, but that's because I like my face to be tan, so I'm gonna tan, but I just, for this video, I wanted it to be golden and nice, whatever. Anyway, getting on to the video, I have created this eye look. I don't have lashes on because I can't find any. I think I threw them all away, so I need to get my shit together. Everyone knows that I am a fan of Rihanna. I am in the Rihanna Navy, but basically, like, I've been in debt loads and I'm just getting out of it, so I am planning on a comeback-ish. But yeah, that's another video. I think I'm gonna sit down and do a massive video about that. But yeah, let's get into this one. So guys, when I prep my skin, basically it's dry. I find like I'm dry to combination, so basically all around is dry, but my T-zone does get a little bit oily during the day. Not a lot, but it does get a bit oily. And I do suffer from acne and acne scarring and all that. So basically what I like to do is, this is literally legit my skincare thing before makeup. So taking like a hydrating, moisturiser, but it's got to be gel. So basically, sometimes I have been using this. Everyone knows by now that this is my go-to. So my camera isn't focusing because it's too bright, but basically this is the L'Oreal Hydra Genius. This is my go-to. This is my 4th bottle of this. So sometimes I use this. So this one is this Simple Hydrating Boost Moisturiser, and I've really been liking this because it comes in a nighttime edition as well, and a booster. Just a gel moisturiser will do. And then what I like to go in with my oils. I'm all about my oils. So this one, this is the Uni Glow by Jolie Beauty, and this is infused with real 24 karat gold flakes. And literally, this is just my 2nd bottle. It's $16.99 from their website. If you use code ASHMAN, you get 10% off, and it's infused with everything good. So 24 karat gold, vitamin C, vitamin A, collagen, grapeseed oil, rose hip seed oil, hyaluronic acid, just everything good basically. So this is like my go-to thing. It's just absolutely so good. The only thing that I wish that they did was maybe put a scent in it a little bit, because it does smell a little bit ish, but yeah, other than that, this is my go-to thing. So what I like to do is take a couple of drops of that, and then I like to take a couple of drops of these. So these are the Alpha H, I can't remember, Essential Hydration Concentrate, and the Ordinary 100% plant-derived squalane. So I just like to mix those 3 in my hand, rub them all over my face, get them right good in there, and I just feel as though having oil underneath your foundation just helps you to glow and be dewy and just moisturise your face even more. And especially if you're using a matte foundation, I just feel as though the matte foundation will just stick to you, and I just feel as though it's like birth and birth, so the foundation will stick, but also you're getting hydrated. So then for my under eyes, everyone knows that I've like suffered for dry under eyes for God knows how long, so I like to use the Mario Badescu hydrating gel, and this is absolutely amazing. I put this on and then I go over with concealer, so it's just absolutely amazing. The next step is using this Morphe setting spray. So this I just like to, after I've done my oils and done my pore filling thing, so like I'll just use like anything that'll fill my pores in basically. I spray this all over my face just because this will help the makeup to stick basically. So I'll spray this all over my face and it's such a fine mist. And this has been working for me like fucking wonders. So the next step I do is concealer, then my foundation, contour, brows, whatever else, and then I like to go in with a powder. So I don't go in with a powder, I go in with a pressed powder, just because my skin is fairly dry, so I just do it through my T-zone, especially in my lines, so T-zone lines, and then I do some MAC Fix Plus, and then obviously highlight, and that's it. Literally it. So I will do a tutorial, my battery's gonna die, I can see it flashing at me like a fucking bitch, but if you think my skin looks good at the moment, oh yeah, this is the Bretman Rock highlighter as well. I was going to show you my eyeshadow, like what shades I used and stuff, because there's a lot of them, but I can't because my battery is literally going to die. So yeah, thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I love you.
DJ Rankin in the mix, motherfucker.